嗯，今天我们讲一下关于怎么样去跟维修工人沟通的问题。首先讲一下，比如说，嗯，怎么样反映这个水管坏了？可以说，嗯，Hi, excuse me, the the kitchen sink in my house is clogged. Could you ask someone to fix it? Please as soon as possible.